This is another affiliate site teardown. My name is Doug Cunnington. I'm the founder of Niche Site Project. Today we're going to look at Lifewire Tech Untangled. So this is the home page here. We're going to take a quick look at the home page. This is a series, by the way. So today in this video, we're going to take a look at the home page and the about page. And then in another video, which I'll put a link to, I'm going to go over a specific review and kind of look at how they shape the reviews here at Lifewire. So this is a site which seems to be sort of new out of the gates in the last year or two. I actually just randomly found it and then did a quick look in SEMrush and saw they have a whole lot of traffic. So let's look at the home page really quickly. You can see they have it sort of organized in the how to, fix, buy, and do more section. There's a lot of different content. Some of it is purely informational and helpful, like the how to and fix, and other stuff like buy is clearly like a review. So they have a wide range. You'll see that they have this opt-in section right here. And by the way, I didn't look over this too closely. So this is my first impression as I'm going through it. They have editors picks here, so it's tech oriented. It's tech untangled, so it is tech oriented. They're mentioning how to get your kids started coding, and then they have an ad here, which it looks like it's a cloud backup service. So there's an ad banner over here on the sidebar. And as we scroll down, that's it. So this is a pretty short homepage. And this is the kind of homepage I like, by the way. There's not too many options. There are, different areas of interest. However, there's not too many options. Again, in the footer area, there's an opportunity to put in your email address to sign up for the email list, though they're not pushing it too hard. They have a couple sections here so you can get around. And one of the reasons why I'm covering this site is because it's a big site, and I don't try, or I try not to out anyone's niche site. For a lot of people, it's their livelihood. If it's a side gig, it's still can be considerable money. And then some people are doing this full time. So I'm trying not to show personal, like individuals sites out there unless it's already a public case study or something like that. When I clicked the About Us page, I ended up seeing sort of a generic About Us couple sentences. And then when I scrolled, well, I didn't even watch the video, but when I scrolled down, I see the team. So they have their 3 senior staff here, and they have someone called a CEO. And I mean, these are professional headshots. So I could tell right away that this is a media company. So I know that this is a media company. It's not an individual. As I scroll down, I see they're, allowing you to contact them. You could work with them, write for them, and work with us. So Lifewire is a .dash brand and part of the IAC family of websites. So that was the tip off that this is part of basically a media company and a family of websites. That's another story for another day. But, a couple things that I like about the About page here. They tell you like what's going on in the mission. They do have a video here, so if you want to check that out, you can go to it and watch it. And then they have a couple pictures, right? It's good to have pictures, even if it's, the executive staff here. These are, individual people, and that's good to do. Just in general, if you have, a website, it's good to have a solid About page. And then they have various ways to contact them. So pretty good. And I think that is a nice way to, lay out an About page just overall. You don't have to have like as much detail as they do, but you should have sort of the same kind of high points. So be sure to check out the other video where I'm going to go over a specific review on their site, and I'll just give you my thoughts on it. So thanks for checking this out. Again, I'm Doug Cunnington from Niche Site Project. If you want to see examples of some other sites, I have a whole playlist, a bunch of videos, actually hours of videos where I go and tear down other sites. So please check those out if you're interested in seeing more. Thanks.